Hero Video Getting Started Guide. What's up, visionary brand bosses? Ready to give your online store's homepage a blockbuster makeover? You're in the right place. In this tutorial, we're diving into the magic of hero videos and how they can transform your store into a visitor magnet. So grab your popcorn because we're about to roll out the red carpet for your products. First off, what's hero video, you ask? Imagine the most captivating, eye-catching videos greeting your customers the moment they land on your page. That's your hero video, your brand's chance to shine and tell its story, all while making a memorable first impression. Think of it as the lead actor in your store's homepage movie. Enhancing your online store with a hero video can significantly increase engagement and captivate your visitors the moment they land on your site. Whether showcasing products, sharing customer experiences, or highlighting brand stories, a hero video can be a powerful tool. Here's a straightforward guide on how to set up a hero video on your store's homepage. Let's begin and explore how to turn your top videos into sales-boosting magic. While we're using a skincare brand as our example, you can easily adapt these steps for a wide variety of products. Okay, let's plot our course. We'll kick things off by adding a minimum of 5 videos to our media library. Then we'll tag each video with the products featured in it. We'll then add a special hashtag to easily sort the videos for our homepage. After that, we'll customize our hero video gallery to reflect our brand's aesthetic. To wrap up, we'll integrate the hero videos into our store for a final run-through. I'll also guide you through tracking your gallery's performance and measuring customer engagement and sales generated with your content. Step 1. Adding videos to your media library. Gathering videos on Sauce is effortless, yet selecting the right ones is crucial. Keep them short, sweet, and stunning. Aim for high-quality reels that represent your brand and capture your audience's attention without saying a word. Remember, these videos are your visual elevator pitch, so make every second count. These could be videos from your Instagram feed, TikTok clips, user-generated content, your influencer collabs, or any videos you've uploaded. You can also collect videos from Instagram creators who may have overlooked tagging or mentioning your brand. These won't show up in your user-generated content UGC tab, but if you're aware they've made videos about your products, simply search for them by username in this section. This allows you to add their content directly to your media library, ensuring it's readily available throughout the setup process. Step 2, let's tag these videos with the products they feature. All right, we've collected a mini cinema's worth of videos. Time to play matchmaker and pair them up with products. It's time to get a bit hands-on. Just click on each video and hit Edit Media to tag it with the products from your catalog. The goal here is to link at least 2 products to each video, helping customers discover more goodies and, hopefully, making their shopping carts a bit heavier. And hey, if you want to showcase different versions of a product, like all the rainbow colors it comes in, just grab the URL from your site for each variation and paste it into the product text box. Sounds a bit techie? No stress. If you hit a snag or get tangled up in something like open graph images, just holler and we'll sort you out. Step 3, now let's slap a hashtag on these videos. It'll make sorting them for our homepage a piece of cake. Just pop into your media library, edit the video, type in a hashtag in the caption, and hit save. Want to know a shortcut? To tag a bunch of videos at once, just tick the box on the top right corner of each thumbnail you want to tag. Then hit the Add Hashtag button, specify your hashtag, and save. Boom, all your chosen videos get the same hashtag in one go. To make sure you only get the videos you want, use a unique hashtag. Like in this example, I picked Drunk Elephant Hero because I know it won't mix up with other tags. Got 5 or more videos hashtagged? You're all set up to design your hero video gallery. Step 4, final touches everyone. Customize your hero video gallery to fit your brand's look and feel. All right, let's head over to our hero video section and dive into customizing our gallery. This is where the real fun begins, but keep in mind, we're doing all this to keep our customers hooked on what we're showing them. Okay, let's start with that unique hashtag we slapped on our videos to pick which ones show up in the gallery. Just scoot over to the Filter by Hashtag spot and pop in your special hashtag. I use the hashtag Drunk Elephant Hero, so only the videos with that hashtag will pop up in this gallery. Next up, let's tackle arranging our videos. Pop open the Edit Positions button and start dragging those videos into the order you like best. Remember, the star of the show, our cover video, gets the prime spot in position 1. Once you're happy with the lineup, hit Finish Editing and head back to the settings. Curious about how it all looks on your homepage? Just click on the cover video. This lets you see through your customer's eyes, giving you a sneak peek of the impression you're about to make. Go on, have a click around and feel the vibe it gives off. It's like a mini test drive of your homepage's new look. To nail that perfect look for your brand, you can tweak things like the background colors, how the buttons look, add some cool video filters, and mess around with the layout. You can also adjust the playback settings to ensure it's mute by default or plays on a loop, whatever suits your script. If you've already got other widgets on your homepage, no sweat. You can easily set how much space you want to leave from the bottom and sides to make sure nothing overlaps or gets too crowded. And here's the kicker. You can make all these changes in real time even after your site is live. So go ahead, launch it, and then tweak away to your heart's content. You've got the freedom to keep fine-tuning until everything's just spot on. Step 5, it's showtime. Well, almost. Setting up your hero video on your homepage is the moment we've all been waiting for. So let's go ahead and install this on your site. For Shopify folks, setup's a breeze. I'll get to that in a sec. Not on Shopify? No worries, whether you're on BigCommerce, Magento, WooCommerce, Squarespace, Lightspeed, Adobe Commerce, or any other platform, we've still got your back. Just grab the embed code from here and paste it into the head section of your page where you want your hero video to shine. And like magic, it all just clicks into place. If you're using Shopify, get ready for some good news. Just head to your themes editor to add the hero video, and you've got 2 neat options. Option 1, want your hero video cover to pop up all over the site? Easy. Just flick on the App Embeds option from your theme editor on the left. Or, if you're aiming to spotlight it on a specific spot, like the homepage, dive into the page template in your theme editor. Scroll down to the very bottom, hit Add Section, and then select the Sauce Hero Video app block from our sauce collection. Hit Save, and voila, you're all set. Congrats, you're now live, but don't forget to preview your hero video, making sure everything looks picture perfect on your homepage. And cut. That's a wrap on setting up a hero video for your store's homepage. With your new leading star, you're all set to captivate customers and bring your brand story and products to life. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more epic store makeover tips. Lights, camera, action. Let your hero video do the talking. Before we call it a day, there's something important to remember. Monitoring how well your galleries perform is key. Keeping tabs on customer engagement, sales, and which videos or influencers are getting the most attention gives you a goldmine of info. This can seriously shape your ad strategies and boost your success from the start. So, take a bit of time to check out your sales and analytics. Familiarize yourself with those reports. Watch for trends like changes in shopping cart sizes or which videos are bringing in the bucks. Making sense of this data can really turn things around for you. Still rolling? For more guides, tips, and e-commerce strategies, follow us on YouTube and Instagram. Until next time, keep your brand in the spotlight.